Alrighty guys, this is the new build. I purchased this mower, that mower, which it's hurting a little bit, she's a little old, but that's Arian. And these two mowers, two push mowers. This one is self-propelled, cam drive, and that one is, I don't know if that's self-propelled, maybe, I don't know. I bought this one, the Arian, and the Craftsman, the Sears Craftsman, for $20 yesterday. So our idea is that this one, Arian, we might make this one our little mess around one. What do you think we should do with this one?
Top wheelies.
Wheelies. Okay, so this one might be the wheelie build, and then mine will be the Sears. It's got a Tecumseh 5 horsepower motor on a pull start. See, we're cleaning the carb out on it. We're going to drop the deck of this one. This one's going to be a fast mower. It's actually in really good shape. I mean, look at it. I mean, it's not even scratched up, really. So I'm going to clean this thing up good. You know, throw some J&K decals on it. I'm contemplating cutting it in half, maybe right here, and stretching it, making it a little longer. Kind of like that. But this is the new mower build. So we have the tracker tractor and the Sears. Can't record a video here without some sort of shenanigan, but this is the new build. It's probably not enough fuels. Where are we? Kind of sounds like it wants to go.
Yeah, I know. Can't see where the intake. No.
It just won't. All right, back to the board.
Woman.
Got it?
Yeah. Go.
Well, it sort of did. It did till it didn't. Yeah. Just won't. So we threw some gas in Arian, and it runs. Oh, don't kill it. There you go. Man. Alright. So as you saw there, this was running. We took the gas out of this and put it in that because somebody snapped the part of the carb off. So we're going to take this carburetor off and swap it to this one. This is the same one, same motor, pretty much everything. So if we swap that onto that, that should run. So yeah, that's what we are going to do. But these things just look so stupid because they are just so small. They're little zippy jobbers. Yeah, they are what they are, but this one should wheelie better than this one. We were trying to wheelie this one, but it weighs about 1 billion pounds, and it doesn't have a real tranny in it. Where this one has actual, like, steering, and it, you know, look at the play.
Direct steering.
Direct steering, so there's barely any play. It weighs nothing. It's a 3-speed. I wonder if reverse works on this. But this is going to get geared. That one, like we said, we're just going to kind of mess with. That'll just be fun. Yeah, so we can beat on it to death and it will break eventually. But it'll last longer. But yeah, Sears and Arian are going to swap parts for a minute. Alright, deck is off. The kid got that out. What sucks about these is that you gotta pull the motor. Well, you gotta lift the motor up. Gotta loosen it. Because this belt is connected. And look at how stupid this deck looks. It's like a perfect circle.
Well, they're just little cheapies.
They are, yeah, they're little cheapies. But we're thinking about taking this seat and moving it above the engine because this is ridiculously short. And it'll make better for shifting. So that's going to be moved. Got the carb work going on here. Swapping the carb from Arian to that. So this should run soon, I hope. I guess chest reverse. Whoa! All right, test the wheelie. Yeah, we need air in the tire. We need to weld the diff. The direct steering's too good. We're used to only the worst steering. Oh no! Oh, we ran out of gas. But hey, you. Oh yeah. Oh, this thing's gonna be great.
Be careful with it. I feel like it's gonna be easy to go over back.
Yeah, and I got it on video if he does.
That's nice. Nice little 15 forward there, yeah. Oh, that tranny's getting perfect. Oh, 3800 loud. Good. 3500.
We gotta make wheelie bars for it.
Ready?
This thing is too good. See if we can pop it a little bit. Woo! What I'm not used to in a mower is this, where it actually, you know, works. Get it into reverse. How do you take and get it into reverse? Ah, lift up. Aha! There she is. This is not normal in a mower. No!
There's the gas.
Oh, we ran out of gas. Oh my god, it's so stupid, but it's so fun. Alrighty, well, this ends part 1 of this build. We got the deck off, fixed the carb issue, and it does wheelies. Right, Matt? It does wheelies. I didn't get it, but he totally went ass backwards over it. Completely destroyed the spark plug, but we got a new one. We're fine. He's okay, and that's... No, it doesn't. It's fine. But this is part 1 of this build. There are probably a couple more to come. Moving the seat and doing other stuff. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and have a good one.